you think that learning English without grammar is really interesting? Yes, of course. And
Yes, sir.
to speak with people, grammar is really not necessary, actually. Mr. Sabir Rahman, what's your full name?
Assalamu
Unmute.
alaikum, sir. My name is
Walaikum.
Mohammad Sabir Rahman.
Okay.
I'm from Bangladesh, but I currently live in Saudi Arabia.
What do you do in Saudi Arabia?
I'm work in a restaurant as a cashier.
So, do you like your job?
Yeah, I like my job. I enjoy my job.
You enjoy your job. Great. You are learning English with us. So, why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English because I have a foreigner customer. I want to communicate with them with English. That's why I want to learn English.
Okay, that's why you are learning English so that you can communicate with them properly, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you live in Saudi Arabia. Do you have any plan to move another country?
Actually, I don't have plan. Maybe after 2 years, I will go to Bangladesh, inshallah. Final exit,
Okay, you will come to Bangladesh after 2 years. Do you
inshallah.
want to go to Europe?
No, I don't have plan to go Europe right
Okay.
now.
Okay, Sabir Rahman, you are learning English without grammar at Times English Center. Do you think learning English with grammar is important?
We
Okay.
learn English
To
without
speak,
grammar.
yeah, we can speak without grammar, right?
Yes, sir.
No.
We can speak
Okay.
without grammar.
Okay. So, do you practice English every day?
Yes, sir. I'm practice English every day.
Okay. So when do you practice?
After finish my work, I am practicing English.
Okay, after finishing your work, you practice English at your free time, in your free
Yes,
time. Okay,
sir.
that's great. Do you want to start any business?
Yes, inshallah, if I go to Bangladesh, I'll start a business,
Okay, what type
pharmacy
of business
business.
do you want to start?
I start maybe pharmacy business, inshallah.
So, can you drive car?
Yes, sir, I can drive car.
So, Mr. Sabir Rahman, you have completed only a 7 classes of our course. So, what do you think? Are you improving?
Yes, sir, I'm improving. Before, I couldn't speak English, but now, alhamdulillah, I'm better before than.
Okay, that's great. So I hope you will be a fluent speaker day by day, following our guideline and doing our homework, right?
Yes, sir, inshallah.
Okay. Okay, keep practicing and stay safe. Thank you, Mr. Sabir Rahman.
You're welcome, sir.
Mohammed Ismail.
Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Walaikum assalam, Mohammed Ismail. How are you?
How are you, sir?
Alhamdulillah, I'm
I'm
also.
fine.
Mohammed Ismail, first your full name.
My name is Ismail.
So it
MD
is your
Mohammed.
full name, Mohammed Ismail. Okay. So Mohammed Ismail, where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh. I am living Saudi Arabia.
Now you are in Saudi Arabia. Okay. What do you
Yes.
do in Saudi Arabia?
I'm doing Saudi Arabia cleanings, the company.
You work in a company as cleaner, right? I'm asking you again. What do you do in Saudi Arabia?
How do you Saudi Arabia uh, clinics clean?
No. Okay. The answer is like, I am working as a cleaner in a company.
I am working cleaner company.
How much time do you work in a day?
I work 12 hours work.
Okay, you work 12 hours in a day. It's a long time.
Yes.
Okay, so do you enjoy your job?
Yes, sir. I enjoy my job.
If you get chance to go to Europe, will you go?
Yes, sir. I will go to Europe, sir.
Okay, so do you live in Saudi Arabia? Do you live with your family in Saudi Arabia?
Yes, I living family.
Okay, MD Ismail Hussain, MD Zakir Hussain.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Yes, sir.
Walaikum Assalam, Zakir Hussain. How are you?
How is it?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
I'm good. I'm good. What about you, sir?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. So, how is everything going, Mr. Zakir Hussain?
My name is Dakir Hussain. My nationality is Bangladesh. I'm Bangladeshi. My hometown is Kumilla. Now I'm living in Saudi Arabia. I'm a reception clerk or bellboy, you can say.
You work in a hotel.
I'm a Yes, I'm
Work
a
at hotel.
work at hotel reception clerk, or you can say bellboy or reception.
So, do you enjoy your job?
Yeah, yeah, sure. I'm enjoying it very much because I love to communicate with people and I love my job.
Okay. So, you are learning English. Is English important for your job?
Yeah, it's too much important for my job because here too much foreigner guest like American, Canadian, European. The percentage of the guest list, it's 70, 80% of European American, Saudi Arabian or Middle East, like Asian, 30% like.
So, to communicate with them, there is no way without English, is it?
Yes,
Okay, that's why
yes,
you are learning English, right?
absolutely. This is the reason, and I want to grow myself more and more. Like, not for this. I began. This is the beginning for I learn English, but I want to go more and more up.
Okay, interesting. And this great ambition. Thank you, Zakir Hussain. So
Thank
you are learning English with us. So what do you think is our system like learning English without grammar is really good?
First of all, sir, I glad to be here with you and Times English Center. Well, it was too much. It was great journey for me. Without grammar, learning English is sir. It's like I call it magic because 6 months before, so I talking with you, but so this confidence in my, you understand me?
Yeah, I can understand. There is some network issue, I think. So, but I can understand. Yeah, please continue.
6 months before, I'm talking with you, so same, not like that. So I was so so confusing, like this. I thinking about some words, like so. After learning with you, sir, especially thanks to you, sir. Especially thanks to you for for guiding us.
Okay, thank you, Zakir Hussain. You think that learning English without grammar is really interesting. Yes, of course. And
Yes, sir.
to speak with people, grammar is really not necessary. And
No, no, the grammar is
yeah,
not necessary. Like in we are talking in Bengali, so we didn't use the grammar all time.
mm, you have already
You know?
completed. You have completed just only 7 classes of our course. What do you think? Are you improving really?
Yeah, sure, sir. I'm improving myself very well. So
Okay,
I'm
okay,
keep practicing. I feel my improvement.
okay. Okay, yeah, for improvement, consistency is very important. So, Mr. Zakir
And
Hussain,
I
keep
Yes, sir.
practicing and stay focused on your goal. Thank you, Zakir Hussain. Thank you again.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
Mr. Siraj, are you there?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Mr. Siraj, how are you?
Fine, sir. You?
Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. Mr. Siraj, what's your official name or full name?
Muhammad Shiraz.
Siraj. Okay, where are you from?
Basically, I am from Bangladesh, Cox's Bazar.
You're from Cox's Bazar. Okay, that's
Yes.
great. So, where are you now?
I am now Saudi Arabia.
You are in Saudi Arabia now. Okay, what do you do there?
I'm shopkeeper.
You are a shopkeeper. Oh, it's not your own business.
Yes, my own. This is my own business.
Oh, so it's your own business. So you are a businessman actually, right?
Yes,
Okay, that's great. Mr. Siraj, you live in Saudi Arabia and you do business, and it's your own business. That's great. So you are learning English. Why are you learning English?
I learn English basically personally improve myself.
Is English important for your job or for your business?
Yes, important.
Okay, keep practicing and stay safe. Thank you.